Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Pharma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips as well as different courses from Udemy of premium courses with free coupon ID. So if you have come first time in my channel, hit the subscribe button if you really like it. So today's video is about Udemy free courses. I will give you the link how you will get the free coupons for the Udemy premium courses. We will discuss about those things. If you really like this video, hit the like button because it gives us motivation, and don't forget to share this news with your friends. So as you can see that it is today's video, 4th June video. So you can see entrepreneurship simplified small business course. There is all of you can apply for this particular free coupon code for Udemy courses. So in any stream you can apply. If you think it's relevant for you, then you can do this because certification is always a plus point for every career. Okay, so if you want to get interested in entrepreneurship, then you can also take this course as a start of your getting ideas for entrepreneurship, how to start your small business. Then if you want to get the free coupon, you have to click on the link, then it will be redirecting to this website. So here you have to click on enroll for free, then Udemy website will be open to you. Through that website you will earn the free coupon. As you can see that here it is mentioned as free. The 3200 price has crossed and it's written as free, so you have to click on enroll now. Okay, after clicking on enroll now, if you have account in Udemy, then you can directly do your login. Okay, otherwise you can do your sign up. Just put your full name, email address and password, a strong password, then do a sign up, and I will show that you can do with your login also. Just you have to give the password here. So after logging, you will be able to see that I have logged into my account and it's showing that your cart is free, and the amount is showing here as 0. I just need to click on enroll now, then that course will be added to my account. Okay, so this is the process. So next course we will discuss about the complete attraction master class. You can also do the same process. I will show third course, that is advanced neural network in R, a practical approach. It's very relevant to IT industry because R is a programming language. You will be able to learn R as well as you have to have gained the idea about neural networks. So I think it's very relevant to you. Just click on this link, it will be redirecting to the enroll for free page, that is through the tutorials card page. Then you will be able to click on enroll for free, then it will redirect to the Udemy page where we have signed in our account. So you can see here it is mentioned as free. Just click on enroll now, then it will be added to your account. Okay, your Udemy account. Another important course for today is general chemistry with basic concepts, keyword work of chemistry. So those students who are in class 9, 10 or in 11, 12, those who wants to know or who have interest in chemistry, those can take this course as a knowledge gain purpose. Another one is YouTube success for novice. So you will get the idea about YouTube novice. Next course which is relevant to IT industry, complete machine learning and data science with Python, ML A to Z. Okay, so it's very much important to know machine learning in this scenario or in this time of age for these college students, IT college students, as well as BSc students who are taking computer science as their subject, or who are taking any technical branches, or they want to get a job in IT industry. Those can gain knowledge about machine learning, and you can do their certification with Udemy. It says value also, proper value. Then click on this link, it will again redirect to this cart page. Then you have to click on enroll for free, then your logged in account will be shown. Then you have to do the same thing, enroll now. Okay, as you can see, 1 day left at this price. So just as soon as you are getting the notification, just you have to do the free coupon code subscription. Okay, so next course is 5S training, implementation and understanding. You can take it, those who have interest in 5S. Then Scrivener effortless publish to Kindle using Scrivener. You can do Kill My Lifestyle, master your stress management like a pro. Viverdose Clinic. You can do Startup Bootstrap mastering. You can do bootstrapping courses, and also you can do Snapchat marketing. So these are the all courses as I have mentioned. The process is same. So I will give the description or the link in my description box. You will be able to find it there. So if you really like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit a like button and share with your friends this moment. Okay. Hey friends, now it's time for shout out for my random subscribers. So today we will do the random subscribers name shout out. So the lucky winner for today is Swapnil Thakare. So if you want to come spotlight in this video in this manner, then you have to subscribe our channel to get the spotlight of this video. So hurry up, do the subscription and keep motivated us and keep subscribing us. So Swapnil Thakare, thank you so much for supporting us and subscribing us. Keep supporting us in this manner. Thank you so much. We will meet in next video.